Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a logo slider in Framer. So let's get straight into it. Now the ticker is ideal for a seen on or trusted by section where you want logos to scroll continuously. So um, let's go and open up the insert panel. So top left or press I. So right here at the top left corner, insert just like that. And now let's head over here to the elements, and you will see down here interactive. So click or hover over this interactive tab right here, and you will see here the ticker. Now drag and drop your ticker right some here, let's say for example right over here. As you can see, now we have it in. So now what we need to do, in the right hand properties panel, you can adjust now direction, horizontal, vertical. Then you have some link. You can adjust gaps and infinity loop. So ensure this is toggled on for seamless scrolling. Now, if you want to users to swipe through logos or see specific number of logos at once, we have the second option which we can use. Okay, so from the insert panel, find the core cells. So let's go insert, and this one at the bottom, core cells. So if we click on it, inserting, as you can see right here, or you can just drag it into it, so it's a little bit simpler. So let's go and do that. Just let me just delete that. Now insert interactive core cell, and I will drag it right over here, as you can see. Now drag your logos into the this section here, or you can just select, select the core cell and click plus next to the content to add image. And yeah, here you can adjust also columns. You have how many logos are visible at one time. Then arrows, dots, toggle navigation, elements on or off in the properties panel. Snap enables snapping to ensure logos align perfectly when scrolling. So right here you can see the gap that you can set here, align directions, fading, and so on. So this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the